Hello friends, welcome to my channel Placement Guidance. So from today onwards you will get all the off-campus placement drive information and will also get videos on most asked questions in exam. So if you want daily updates regarding placements and if you are preparing for exams, so subscribe my channel and like the video so that I get motivation for making more placement videos. And for placement, more placement materials, join my Telegram channel which is given in the description. So today in this video, we will see the step-by-step process of filling Accenture Off-Campus 2021 drive. So in this video, we will cover all the eligibility, test pattern, hiring details and more about this drive. So the eligibility criteria is that experience is of freshers, qualification BTech and BE. Year of passing is 2021 and the role which Accenture is offering is associate software engineer. So the selection process for this is first you will have cognitive and technical assessment in which you will have aptitude, verbal and some technical questions related to networking like email questions and like this. And if you clear this cognitive and technical assessment, then only you will get to the second part, that is the coding round part. There you will get two questions each. So if you will do one coding question, then you will get the package of 4.5, then you will be eligible for 4.5 package. And if you will do both the coding question, then you will be eligible for the 6.5 package interview. So it all depends on you. So and after if you clear the coding round, then you will have the communication test. It is not the, like we can say, no one gets eliminated here. After that you will have interview. There will be only one round of interview, both combined technical plus HR. Now we will see the registration form of the Accenture. Many are having many problems regarding filling this Accenture form. Like many are getting rejection mails from Accenture that your PAN card is, that your photo doesn't match PAN card, or like this, like your name doesn't match. So be careful while filling this form. First, please review the do's and don'ts before proceeding. First, see. First name, middle name, last name should have two or more characters. At least one name should match with your PAN card. Like if you are writing first name, middle name and last name, so there should be at least two characters and one name should match with your PAN card. And the passport size photo should be bright, clear and should have only one face. So it should be bright and clear. See, the third is the government ID card. So government ID card, you can upload PAN card here. So you have to upload the full image of your government ID card. Do not upload a copy with surrounding background like this. Like suppose if you are clicking the PAN card photo on your table and you are also taking the table photo with the PAN card, it will not be allowed. You will get the rejection mail if you do this. So try to avoid this. So do not upload a poor quality photocopy. Do not upload a copy with the glare of camera flash. So please make sure to upload only the PAN card image if you have an e-PAN card. And if you have minor PAN card, then also your form will be rejected. So your PAN card should be of major. Then click it and then we will move further. Next, so see, it is for the 2021 direct hiring. So click here and then you will find that how do you find about this job. Select from job boards, Accenture employee referral or social media advertisement. So select this, and from which platform you get, suppose select LinkedIn. Now you have to fill the personal details like first name, like see my name is Komal, so keep it like this. And if you have any middle name, then write here. And it's not compulsory, like star is not here, so it's not compulsory field, but if you have, you can write it. And at least two characters should be there, otherwise the form will be rejected. So you have to very careful by filling all the details. And here you have to fill the university registration number. It's just the hall ticket number. Then you will fill the email ID and then mobile number. If any alternate mobile number you have, you can also fill here. Then the PAN card number you have to fill here. Then date of birth. Then gender, male or female. Then you have to fill the educational detail. Like suppose I will be selecting undergraduate, and then you have to select the degree, that is BE or the BTech, select BTech. Then college, you have a list of colleges here, select any of them, like in which you are studying right now. Then you have to select the branch, like computer science, mechanical, civil engineering, like this. So suppose select civil engineering. Then the year of passing, it is for the 2021 batch. Then percentage or CGPA, like suppose I select CGPA, so write your CGPA here. Then if you have done any certification course, then you can select from here, like if you have done any Salesforce course or programming in C hash, developing ASP.NET MVC web application, you can just simply select here. PWT department, if you have any disability, you can select yes or no. Then you have to select the job locations, so select any of them according to your choice. Then the have you completed your final semester exam? If like some of the colleges have finished their final semester exam, so you can click on yes, otherwise no. And then you have to choose the assessment time slot, like there are three slots, 10 a.m., 2:30 p.m. and the 5:30 p.m. Select any of them according to your availability. Then the other details like gap in education, more than one academic year, no gap, less than one academic year. So like I will select, like I have no gap in education, so I will select no gap. Have you worked in Accenture before? No, like you are fresher, so you haven't worked in Accenture before. Sending backlog? No. If you do not have any backlog, select no, otherwise yes. Have you appeared for assessment and for interview process for Accenture in the last 6 months? Like in the last 6 months, if you have appeared for any assessment or interview process, select yes, otherwise no. Because if you have given in the last 6 months any interview for Accenture, you cannot fill this form. So are you a Indian citizen? Yes. And then you will attach your resume here, passport size photograph, as you have seen the do's and don'ts that you have to do. And then you can upload, then you have to upload college ID card here. Then you will select like government ID card. There is only one option of PAN card. Then upload your government ID card. Then select yes, I agree to all the data privacy and all the authorized that Accenture is asking. Do all the I agree, select all the I agree and select yes, and then select I am not a robot and just submit this form. Then you will be, then your registration for Accenture will be complete. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment in video.